chose to be in the criminal justice program here because I was just always interested in crime scene investigation and police work, so I figured I'd try it and I ended up loving it.
My career tech major, criminal justice, offers students multiple certifications for the field. We offer handcuffing, baton, 911 dispatcher, OPATA, first aid, CPR, Take Control, which is a driving course program.
We also learned how to write traffic tickets. I'm really looking forward to getting our 911 dispatchers because that's the job that I want after I graduate.
For skills that they do learn, the professionalism, how to conduct themselves in and out of uniform, definitely important to learn how our culture is. Anything they want to do in the criminal justice or security fields, we get them ready for.
Every year we also compete in the Skills USA competition, and I was actually on the crime scene investigation team last year and we ended up winning first place.
The best thing about teaching criminal justice is I get to prepare students who are potentially going to be my backup. I was a full-time patrol officer and I realized the importance of training the students. It's very rewarding and it's cool to help them become who they want to be.
So my future plans after I graduate is to major in criminal justice and crime scene investigation. Attending this school has really made it clear on what I want to do.
We have some students that go to college, we have some students that go in the military, we have some students that go into the field right away doing security or corrections.
I really love how it gets you ready for life after high school.
I'm Officer Stone and my partner is Officer Barry. This is an adult program in a high school environment. Be ready.